being a woman in IDEX has gave me a sense of relief. Growing up, I was told not to go in the field because I would never get it anywhere. With my mindset and my drive, I was like, I'm going to prove you wrong. And I think that's what partially drove me to just do better. The culture here at IDEX is welcoming. It's warm. I want to say it's like a family, a tough family. We have our goals. This is our projection. This is what we strive to. But as a group, as a team, how do we do that? And you will see it from the office team all the way to an assembler, the passion behind wanting to do a good job. You will actually hear people talk about it when they see quality concerns in the past where they say, do you understand what this is, what we do here? Deciphering DNA or in a pump that's just pumping the fluid to keep somebody alive. How your efforts affect what's going on in the world. Do I feel that other companies, I would not have had the same success that I've seen here at IDEX? Absolutely. We welcome change. We welcome difference here. I see many other people having the same opportunities as I do. I see anybody having the same opportunities as I do. I am Stephanie Pacheco, the Supply Chain Manager for IDEX Health Science.